Segunda Geraldo Diaz, 55 years old, nakoy 7 kabong anak, 7 kabong apo. Usa. Daghang salamat. Ay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 4.
May butang sa tanan, labi na sa itong mga inahan sa kanunay panabang. O sa atong board judges, o sa atong inahan sa barangay, nga si Kami Chuna Babatuan. O ako, 41 years old, ay tulong kabok anak. Na ako'y pag-ainon kung pagkakagnaw na kay bitbit sa inyong panimalay.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 5.
Good morning everyone, especially sa itong gwapa na sakap, Jonah Babatuan na Villanusa. Board of Judges, thank you. Kuya Roy and Kuya Lasco, salamat. By the way, ako na si Sheila Tagon, 39 years old, 9 kabaktin. Representing sa Bulacau, Villamanga, o naniniwala ako sa kasabihan, pag ang nanay ay gipit sa konsolusyon ko makapit.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 5. How about candidate number 6?
Good morning, Richard, and everyone, especially to our beloved barangay captain, Jonah Villanusa Babatuan, and to all the barangay staff, and also to the Nutrition Council. My name is Natalia Mabachano, 41 years old, a mother of 4, and I am the idol ko si nanay ng Villamanga, Bulacau, Cebu City. And I do believe that never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 7. Ipasok sa diya, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone, especially to our Board of Judges. I'm here in front of you to introduce myself. I'm Risa Jean Lagawan, 26 years old, and representing Lower San Roque, Sitio Kawayan. All I can say is, mukha lagi ko naganiling mulong ko makakis ng ako, and I thank you.
Thank you very much. How about candidate number 8?
Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Ako nilabi na sa ato ang mga judges o sa atong pinalanggang kapitan, Kapitan Juna Babatuan Hagdayan Nosa, ang inahan sa atong Bulacau. Ang akong hiningon ako si Arlie Manito, 38 ang pangidaron na ay tulukan ng o syempre isa ka ibang bana, wag na ilain pa, na taga Sitio Laguna, Bulacau, na nagsasabi sa kasabihan na mataba man ako sa inyong mga paningin. At least may matrisip na magbibigay ng anak sa akin. And I thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 8. Candidate number 9.
Ay, vlog. Ikalaw.
No more, do more, in order to be more. Hi, I'm President of Translated everyone. Everything Captain Jonah Babatuan. My name is Genia Laura Brizola, 7 years old, representing Siwak Bulacau, Cebu City. Wala akong ibang hinandog sa inyong lahat, kundi sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa. Buong bansa, idol ko sila ng 2026, Eat Bulaga! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Genia Laura Brizola, nagsasabi, give your love, give your smile to everybody, but give your love to the one and only. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And candidate number 10.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Amberly Florentino, 26 years of age, representing Sitio Laguna, at naiiwang ng kasihan. Ang kagadahan ay wala sa labas na kanyuan, kundi nandito sa inyong harapan. Ayan na, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So, there you have it, our 10 official candidates vying for the title of first ever mayor in Barangay Bulacau, the Idol Kusinanay 2026. So ato sa i-acknowledge ang ating mga board of judges to pick up our 3 winners later. Our first judge is the Committee on Okay. Our first judge is the Committee on Finance of Barangay Bulacau.